In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the minor scale for position number 1. This is going to be the most important minor scale position that you're going to learn. The reason this scale is so important is that the root of the scale is based off of the 6th string, and it's going to be the quickest and easiest to find. Let's take a look at how to play the minor scale position 1 pattern. This is how you play a minor scale position 1. I'm going to choose this note right here, which is A on the 6th string, 5th fret. I could choose any. If I wanted, I could choose B and play it here. I could start here on G, play a G minor position 1, but I'm just choosing A because it's kind of right in the middle of the neck. I think it's good for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to start here. This is going to be the root, the 1 of the scale. This is 1, whole step to 2, then it's a half step to flat 3, then a whole step to 4, a whole step to 5, then a half step to flat 6, then a whole step to flat 7, then a whole step again to 1, then it's a whole step to 2, half step to flat 3, whole step to 4, then it's going to be a whole step to 5, then a half step to flat 6, a whole step to flat 7, then it's going to be a whole step to 1. So we're back to an A again. We started on A, here's an A, or 1, 1, 1. So we're on 1, and it's going to be a whole step to 2, and then it's going to be a half step to flat 3. Okay, and going backwards, I'm going to start here on flat 3 where we left off. Flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1. Let's go through that pattern one more time. We're going to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. Now the first time I went through this scale, I used this finger. And now the second time I'm going through, I'm using my pinky. You can use either one. I typically will go like this. I switch to my pinky for this 1, and then I reach up here for this 2. But if I'm not thinking about it, sometimes I go like this and I do like an extra long 3-fret spread here with my first finger and my third finger. So it's really up to you what you want to do. I would try both. I would use my pinky and then shift up. Or I would use my third finger and then stretch down with my first finger. I find both of them are acceptable. I would just do either one and then see which one you like. All right, so I'm going to start here from this 1 again. Right here, this A. It's going to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, 2, flat 3. Coming back, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1. In terms of how do you pick the scale, if you're not used to playing scales and you're not used to alternate picking, then it's okay if you want to go through nice and slow, pick all the notes down. But ultimately, if you want to get better as a guitar player and be able to play a lot faster, you want to be able to alternate pick. And alternate pick means you're going down, up, down, up, down, up. So my advice, as you're practicing this, you're kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone by practicing alternate picking. Going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You will be able to play scales a lot faster that way. Just in the beginning, it might seem kind of awkward, but I promise you it will pay off in the long run. In terms of how do you practice this, what do you do with this scale? I'm not going to cover that in this lesson. I will cover that in another video. For these scale pattern videos, I'm literally just showing you how to play it, physically play it, and then in other videos I'll show you what to do with them. That is how you play the minor scale position 1. When you practice this scale, you want to practice it in all 12 keys. Keep playing it over and over again until you have the fingering and the interval numbers memorized. I would even practice it with your eyes closed, or at least not looking at the guitar. you'll need to be able to visualize the pattern in your mind. This will take a lot of practice and repetition to achieve, so you better get practicing.